The small blue jar with the yellow lid is one of the most recognizable items in a bathroom cabinet. Many people use it for chapped lips, dry skin, minor burns, and even removing makeup. It feels clean, safe, and soothing. But what if you knew this smooth, clear jelly originally came from a thick black substance that clogged oil drills in the 1800s? The story begins in 1859 in Titusville, Pennsylvania, during America's first oil boom. A young British chemist named Robert Cheeseborough traveled there hoping to make money in the oil industry. Instead, he noticed workers complaining about a sticky black substance called rod wax that kept clogging their drilling equipment. To the workers, it was a problem, but Cheeseborough noticed something interesting. They were using this same substance on cuts and burns because they believed it helped their skin heal. Curious, he collected samples and took them back to his laboratory in Brooklyn. The material worked, but it looked like tar and smelled like fuel. Cheeseborough spent nearly 10 years developing a way to clean and purify it. Using careful heating and filtration, he removed the dark color, odor, and impurities. By 1870, he created a smooth, white, odorless jelly. He named it Vaseline, combining the German word Wasser, water, and the Greek word Elion, oil. Today, Vaseline is made using modern refining processes. It starts with crude oil, which is heated in large distillation towers that separate different components. The heavy, waxy residue left behind is further refined through vacuum distillation and multiple purification stages. After strict filtering and testing, the result is the clean petroleum jelly we know today, a soft gel that melts at body temperature. Interestingly, Cheeseborough trusted his invention so much that he reportedly ate a spoonful of Vaseline every day and lived to the age of 96. It's fascinating to think that a product used daily in millions of homes actually began as a sticky byproduct deep within oil fields.